Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a series of videos that go through how we test for each anion. You're going to be given a solution where you don't know what the ions are in it. So it's just going to have a letter like A, B, C, D. For this video, I'm just going to go, if it was hydroxide, what observations would I expect, and are there any chemical equations that I have to write for that? So what I've got is I've just got some sodium hydroxide as my hydroxide solution. Now, hydroxides, with any unknown, actually, you should put red litmus paper in it first. And here's where I hope this works without making me look silly. There we go. And if it goes blue, we know that it's a hydroxide or a carbonate. It's a base. And they're the only two anions we look at that are bases. So now I know that it's that. My next chemical that I need, so I've used my litmus paper, my next chemical on my flow chart is to add some hydrochloric acid, or actually any acid. It can be sulfuric as well. And if it does nothing that we see, then it is hydroxide. It might turn my litmus back red if it goes beyond the neutralization point, but basically if I don't see any bubbles, and I don't see any bubbles in there, then I know that it's hydroxide. And I've identified that ion and I'm ready to move on to the next one. So if I was going to do an equation for that, the only equation I need to write for this is H plus, which was from the acid that I added. Now I know that it's hydroxide, I can write hydroxide in, and it neutralizes to water. Okay, and it's the only equation that I would need for hydroxides. Stop there.